This thing looks like a carrot cake, but it's a liver meatloaf, let's call it. Okay, I have 1 pound of chicken liver. I have to wash it and drain it. Okay, I'll rinse it under cold water. Alright, now I'm gonna add 1 onion to this blender or processor, and I'm gonna mix it with onion. I'm adding 2 eggs. And what's fantastic about this dish is that you make it in microwave. Alright? No messy, greasy, kitchens. Okay? Everything is clean and quick. I don't go wild on onion because it's more carbs than you need. But quarter onion is fine. And also added about 1 tablespoon of butter. Now when it's all blended, I'm gonna add seasoning and also 4 tablespoons of almond flour. Not everybody loves liver, but if you do, you're lucky, because on ketogenic diet it's hard to accumulate all the macronutrients and trace minerals and vitamins. So liver definitely is a good way to achieve it. This is Blue Diamond almond flour. So I'm gonna season it with a couple teaspoons of soy sauce, and this is black pepper. You can go wild on black pepper. Liver likes it. They go hand in hand. Okay, we can finish this blend, and now we're gonna make some veggies that come with this thing. I think I should edit this video to make it shorter, but maybe I won't, who knows. This is half carrot, all you need to watch your carbs, you know, and onion. So this is microwave safe container, mix the vegetables with butter or mayonnaise and stick in the microwave for a couple minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. After that, put your liver butter, I would say, in that container and microwave it for 6 minutes. If it will be pink on top, stick it to the microwave for a couple more minutes. This is the loaf of cake you got, and I'm going to make it look pretty. So it's hot. You could wait. I couldn't wait. I like to do everything as soon as I can. Sticks together. Little bit reminds of a carrot cake. I put a mayo, but you can do softened cream cheese. Take half bar of cream cheese, soften it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and spread it inside and also on top. It will give you carrot cake look. Look can be deceiving, right? Congrats, now you can microwave cakes. Subscribe for this channel, lots of more.